Why buying your own shingles actually cost more. Homeowners call me all the time saying they found shingles for $400 less than what I quoted them. They want to buy their own materials and have me install them to save money. Here's what I tell them. You're not going to save money. In fact, you're probably going to spend more. And I'm going to show you exactly why, using real numbers from jobs we've done. The average homeowner thinks buying materials themselves equals automatic savings. But when you factor in what contractors actually pay, what warranties you're losing, and what your installer will charge you extra for taking on the risk, that $400 savings turns into a $2,000 plus mistake, and most people don't find out until it's too late. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why professional contractors can actually get you better material pricing than you can get yourself, and why the perceived savings from buying your own shingles disappear the moment your installer starts adjusting their labor rate. Let me tell you what happened just last month. A homeowner in Ocean Gate called me after another contractor walked off his job. He'd bought his own shingles from a retailer and saved $600 up front. But when the materials showed up, they were a mixed color batch. The store wouldn't take them back because they were a special order. The original contractor refused to install mismatched shingles and charged him a $1,200 cancellation fee. By the time he called us, he'd lost the amount spent on materials, paid the cancellation fee, and still needed a new roof. He ended up spending thousands more than if he'd just gone with a contractor-supplied package from the start. You're trying to protect your biggest investment. You want to make a smart financial decision. But the roofing industry doesn't work the way most people think it does, and buying your own materials can put you at a disadvantage you most likely won't realize until the roof is already on your house. Number one, you're paying retail. We're paying wholesale. You're walking into Home Depot paying a full retail price when professional contractors are getting 20 to 30% discounts you'll never see. At Fortified Roofing, we purchase materials in massive volumes. We're buying 15 to 20 roofs every single week during peak season. Because of that volume, manufacturers give us pricing that's not available to retail customers. We're talking 20 to 30% below what you see on the shelf. Here's the part most homeowners don't know. We don't mark up our materials. We pass those wholesale prices directly to you. So when you see our quote and think, I can beat that price at Lowe's, you're actually comparing our discounted contractor pricing to your full retail pricing. You're not saving money, you're spending more. Now you might be thinking,
but John, I saw shingles on sale at Home Depot for cheaper than that.
And you're right, you might find a sale, but here's what you need to understand. Those sales are usually on discounted colors, overstocked styles, or material that are about to be phased out. They also often require you to purchase a certain minimum amount of material to get that price. Think about this. If you ever need to replace a section of your roof later due to storm damage or a leak repair, whatever, you won't be able to match those shingles if they've been discontinued. I see this all the time. You'll end up with a patchwork roof that destroys your home's curb appeal and resale value. Number two, your contractor is going to charge you more for labor. When you supply your own materials, the contractor takes on risk without any control. If those materials are defective, the wrong style, damaged in shipping, or improperly stored before installation, I'm the one who has to deal with it. But I didn't choose the supplier. I didn't inspect the materials before they were delivered. I didn't control the storage conditions. So what do contractors do? We adjust our labor rates to account for that risk. A typical roof replacement might have a labor cost of $3,500 when we supply the materials. If you're supplying them, that same labor can go up to $4,200 or maybe even $4,500. Why? Because we're pricing in the time we'll spend dealing with defects, shortages, delays, and warranty disputes that we didn't create, but we'll still have to manage. One big consideration is that we always arrange to have our suppliers boom the materials we're purchasing up onto the roofs that we are installing. If you purchase them and they are dropped off on the ground, then we have to spend hours of additional labor time getting those heavy materials up onto your roof. Let me give you an example from a job we did 2 years ago. The homeowner bought shingles from a lumber yard and got a great deal, or so he thought. The shingles showed up 3 days late, which pushed our crew schedule back and cost us another job. Then, when we opened the pallets, 15% of the bundles were damaged from improper storage. The homeowner had to go back to the supplier, argue with them, and wait for replacements. By the time we actually started the roof, the project was delayed 2 weeks, and our labor cost had gone up $1,800 just from scheduling disruptions and extra site visits. Think of it like this. If you hire a contractor to remodel your kitchen, but you buy all the cabinets yourself from some random online supplier, that contractor is going to charge you more. Why? Because when those cabinets show up damaged, undersized, or missing hardware, He's the one stuck managing the problem. The same principles apply to roofing. The savings you thought you were getting by buying your own materials just got eaten up by the extra labor cost. It's a huge gamble. Number 3, you just voided your warranty, and you don't even know it. Point number 3, most homeowners who buy their own shingles don't realize they just voided the manufacturer's warranty. And that's a $15,000 mistake waiting to happen. According to GAF, one of the largest roofing manufacturers in North America, their Golden Pledge warranty, which covers materials for 50 years and labor for 25 years, is only available when a GAF Master Lead contractor supplies and installs their certified roofing system. If you supply your own shingles, even if they're GAF shingles, you don't qualify. You're left with the standard material only warranty, which covers defects but not labor, and only gives you 10 years of unprorated coverage on the shingles. Here's what most homeowners don't understand about roofing warranties. The big comprehensive warranties that cover both materials and labor only apply when you purchase a complete roofing system through a certified contractor. If you buy shingles on your own and have them installed, you're typically left with a basic material-only warranty. Let me explain what that means in real dollars. Let's say 5 years from now, your shingles start failing prematurely because of a manufacturing defect. If you have a full system warranty through a certified contractor, the manufacturer covers the cost of the replacement shingles and the labor to remove the old roof and install the new one. That's typically a $12,000 to $15,000 value. But if you bought your own shingles, you get the replacement shingles for free, maybe $2,500 worth of materials. But if you're paying out of pocket for the labor to tear off the failed roof and install the new one, you also have to pay for all of the additional accessories needed, and you'll also have to pay for a dumpster without the Golden Pledge warranty. That's $9,000 to $12,000 you're covering yourself. Suddenly that $600 you saved up front costs you $10,000 on the back end. At Fortified Roofing, every roof we install comes with a comprehensive warranty package because we're certified with the manufacturers and we supply complete roofing systems, not just shingles. That means if something goes wrong, you're covered. When you buy your own materials, you lose that protection. And most homeowners don't find out until they try to file a claim and get denied. Look, I'm not telling you this because I want to sell you materials. I'm telling you this because I've watched too many homeowners make this mistake and regret it. At Fortified Roofing, we've built our reputation on transparency and doing right by our clients. That's why we don't mock our materials. We pass our wholesale pricing directly to you. And that's why we offer full system warranties on every roof we install. If you're thinking about replacing a roof and you want a quote that reflects real contractor pricing, not retail markups, visit fortifiedroofing.com. We'll give you an honest assessment, explain every component of your roofing system, and show you exactly what you're getting for your investment. Number 4, roofing systems aren't just shingles. How mismatched materials can destroy performance. According to the National Roofing Contractors Association, a properly functioning roofing system requires precise compatibility between shingles, underlayment, ventilation components, flashing, and fasteners. When even one component is mismatched or incorrectly specified, it can reduce the roof's lifespan by 30 to 50% and void manufacturer warranties. Think of a roofing system like your car's tires. You wouldn't buy your left front tire from one manufacturer, your right front tire from another, and your back tires from a third, then expect them to all work together perfectly. Roofing works the same way. Shingles, underlayment, starter strips, ridge caps, and ventilation components, they're all designed to work together as a system. When you buy shingles on your own, you're only getting one piece of that system. And here's the problem. You probably don't know which underlayment is compatible with those shingles. You don't know what fastener length and type the manufacturer specifies. You don't know if the ventilation components you need are rated to work with that shingle profile. I've seen homeowners buy premium 50-year shingles and then pair them with economy underlayment because they were trying to save money. What happens? The underlayment fails in 10 years, moisture gets into the roof deck, and now they need a full tear-off and replacement. Those 50-year shingles lasted a decade because the system wasn't compatible. And because the homeowner supplied the materials, the manufacturer denied the warranty claim. When a professional contractor supplies materials, we're specifying every component to work together. We're not guessing. We're following the manufacturer's engineering specs. We know that Brand X shingles require Brand X synthetic underlayment and specific fastener schedules. We know which ventilation products integrate with which shingle profiles. That knowledge is worth more than any retail discount you think you're getting. Number 5, you're responsible for quantity mistakes, defects, and returns, and that gets expensive fast. Estimating roofing materials isn't as simple as measuring square footage and ordering shingles. You have to account for roof pitch, complexity, waste factor, valley cuts, hip and ridge caps, starter courses, and a margin for defects and breakage. Most homeowners underestimate by 10 to 15%, and that creates massive problems. Here's what happens when you run short. Let's say you're 80% done with your roof and you realize you're 3 squares short. You go back to the supplier, but now those shingles are out of stock. You have to wait a week for a reorder. Meanwhile, your contractor's crew is sitting idle, and you're paying for that. Most contractors charge a delay fee because they've scheduled other jobs back to back. By the time the materials show up, you've spent more on delay costs than you saved buying your own shingles. Or let's say you overestimate. You order 40 square and you only need 35. Now you've got 5 square of shingles sitting in your garage. Most suppliers won't take back open bundles. Even if they do, there's a 20 to 25% restocking fee typically. So that extra material you thought you were being smart about just cost you hundreds of dollars in waste. And then there are defects. Shingles get damaged in shipping. They get stored improperly at the warehouse and arrive warped or discolored. When a contractor supplies materials, they inspect everything before it goes on the roof. If there's a problem, we send it back and get replacements at no cost to you. When you supply materials, you're the one dealing with returns, restocks, and delays. Most homeowners don't budget for that hassle or the cost that comes with it. I had a client 2 years ago who bought his own shingles because he found a closeout deal, saved $700. The shingles showed up, and 40% of them were different dye lots, completely different colors. This was after we already warned him to check the dye lots. He didn't notice until we showed up and advised him. We had to delay the job. He had to fight with the supplier for a week, and by the time we got matching shingles and restarted, he'd paid us for delay fees. In the end, he saved nothing and aged 10 years from the stress. So just to recap, buying your own roofing shingles to save money almost never works out the way you think. You're paying retail while contractors pay wholesale. Your labor costs go up. You lose comprehensive warranty coverage. You're responsible for quantity mistakes and defects. And when you add it all up, you usually spend more and take on more risk. If you're serious about protecting your home and your money, don't make this decision based on retail prices and guesswork. The smartest next step is to get a professional quote that reflects real contractor pricing, real warranties, and a complete roofing system, not just shingles. At Fortified Roofing, we'll walk you through every number, show you exactly where your money is going, and make sure you're fully protected before a single nail is driven. Visit the link in the description below to schedule your free, no-pressure roof assessment and see why the cheapest option up front is often the most expensive one in the long run.